What happens if AI just keeps getting smarter? Welcome to Mind Decode, your go-to channel for explained simply insights into the world of cutting-edge technology and the hidden truths shaping our society. Dive into mind-blowing facts and uncover what they don't tell you about AI, tech innovations, and the dark side of the digital age. We bring you things you didn't know about the latest breakthroughs, revealing shocking tech facts that challenge what you thought you knew. Our mission is all about unraveling the truth behind the headlines and delivering must-know AI content that helps you understand how it really works. If you're curious about the truth behind artificial intelligence, emerging technologies, and their impact on our lives, you're in the right place. Subscribe and join us as we decode the mysteries of tech and society simply, clearly, and with no fluff. What if the smartest thing on Earth wasn't human anymore? The speed at which AI is developing was previously only seen in science fiction. AI has advanced at an exponential rate, from simple calculators and chatbots to massive language models like GPT-4 and beyond. However, what if it continues? What if artificial intelligence continues to advance, becoming more intelligent than humans, quicker than us, and superior to us in practically every possible field? We must first define what we mean by smarter in order to comprehend what happens as AI becomes more intelligent. Reasoning, learning, perception, creativity, problem-solving, and even emotional comprehension are all included in the broad idea of intelligence. However, current AI systems lack general intelligence, which refers to the flexible, adaptable intellect that people exhibit. Instead, they excel in narrow intelligence, outperforming humans in certain tasks like playing chess, identifying patterns in data, or producing literature. But as AI develops toward artificial general intelligence, AGI, a system that can comprehend, absorb, and apply knowledge in a variety of fields, it may pave the way for a more significant change: superintelligence. This concept describes an intelligence that is much superior than human cognitive capacity in almost every domain, such as social skills, general wisdom, and scientific innovation. The development of technology typically follows exponential curves. A cycle of feedback and improvement is facilitated by advancements in training techniques, data availability, algorithm design, and processing power as defined by Moore's law. Better models produced by more data lead to greater insights, which in turn spur additional developments. An AI that can enhance its own architecture may eventually create even more intelligent iterations of itself, a phenomenon some theorists refer to as the intelligence explosion. Human intelligence may be surpassed by quick, unforeseen leaps in capabilities brought forth by this cyclical self-improvement. Machine intelligence could quadruple in capabilities over months, weeks, or even hours, in contrast to human evolution, which takes decades. AI has the potential to change civilization more profoundly and quickly than any other technological revolution if it continues to advance in sophistication. With sufficient intelligence, artificial intelligence, AI, could automate sophisticated cognitive tasks, such as writing reports, analyzing scientific data, producing music, coding complete apps, and even uncovering new laws of physics in addition to simple data processing and physical labor. The majority of vocations, including creative and white-collar occupations, could be drastically altered or replaced. This inspires fear as well as optimism. On the one hand, it envisions a world without scarcity, where people may focus on their hobbies and leisure activities while machines take care of the work. However, if left unchecked, it might lead to significant job losses, economic disruption, and rising inequality. Superintelligent AI has the potential to speed up scientific discovery in all domains. It might fix energy issues, provide better medications, discover treatments for diseases that are currently incurable, or even reveal the mysteries of consciousness. Humanity may be able to address major issues like hunger, water shortages, and climate change much more quickly because to scientific advancements. But considerable capability also carries great peril. Additionally, harmful technologies such as autonomous weaponry, bioengineering tools, or even completely new threat classes could be discovered by advanced AI systems. It will be crucial how we control and direct its progress. One of the main issues is who has control over AI that is more intelligent than humans. One nation or corporation may have disproportionate influence over world affairs if it creates a potent AGI first. Conflicts could result from this, and geopolitical connections could become unstable. Furthermore, the complexity of regulating superintelligent systems may be beyond the capabilities of current political structures. These systems have the ability to outthink entire governmental entities, alter public opinion, even crack encryption. We might have to rethink governance in order to govern AI. Existential risk is arguably the most talked about and significant worry regarding developing sophisticated AI. What if artificial intelligence develops to the point that it behaves in ways that are beyond our control or prediction? The core of this concern is the alignment issue. It alludes to the challenge of making sure that an AI's objectives coincide with those of humans. Because a superintelligent AI understands its goals differently than intended, it may pursue seemingly straightforward objectives, such as maximizing paperclip manufacturing, in a way that has fatal results. It might be impossible to go back after an AI has surpassed human intelligence. Theoretically, an unaligned superintelligent AI could optimize for objectives that are detrimental to or unconcerned with human survival. This has been a source of concern for notable individuals like Nick Bostrom, Eliezer Yudkowsky, and the late Stephen Hawking. According to Bostrom's thought experiments, ill-aligned AGI could unintentionally lead to the extinction of humans, even if done with good intentions. Malevolence is not the main problem. Rather, it is disregard for human needs in the service of machine objectives. A significant rethinking of what it means to be human may also be required as AI becomes more sophisticated. What place would humans have if machines are able to do better than us in every field, including science, art, and emotional labor? Work, creativity, and problem-solving are some of the conventional sources of meaning that could become outdated. Either a resurgence of human self-discovery or a mass existential crisis could result from this. Some people see a leisure society in which people prioritize enjoyment, relationships, and personal growth. Others worry about boredom, stagnation, or even the breakdown of social cohesiveness. Through genetic engineering, cognitive upgrades, or brain-computer interfaces, humans may integrate with AI rather than be left behind. Direct brain-to-computer links are already being developed by organizations such as Neuralink. The distinction between humans and machines may become more hazy in this future. Using AI as an extension of our minds rather than merely a tool might turn us into true cyborgs. A post-human future in which awareness itself transcends biological bounds may result from this. AI's trajectory toward greater intelligence is not predetermined. Our current decisions will determine this. Investments in safety research and AI alignment are among the most pressing needs. Techniques to make sophisticated AI systems safe, interpretable, and controllable are being developed by organizations such as OpenAI, DeepMind, and the Alignment Research Center. This comprises interpretability, knowing how AI makes decisions, corrigibility, creating AI that can be changed, and value learning, teaching AI what people genuinely care about. It is essential to resolve these issues prior to implementing any AGI. International cooperation is crucial, given the worldwide implications of superintelligent AI. We require methods for fair AI governance, open communication between research groups, and common safety measures. In AI research, a competitive arms race could result in the hasty implementation of dangerous technologies. The risks are too high for unbridled competition, much like nuclear proliferation. Beyond safety, we need to consider more profound issues. What type of AI future do we envision? Which values ought to be programmed into these systems? Who makes the decision? Democratic, inclusive frameworks that take into account the variety of human experience must direct the development of AI. Ethics ought to be a primary consideration in the development and application of intelligent systems, not an afterthought. If you found this fascinating, hit that subscribe button and join us for more deep dives into the future of technology.